How to see pin code on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see pin code on your Roblox account. So for that, just open the Roblox website, and after that just log into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is just click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and from there you have to go to help. So in order to see your pin code, you have to remember the code of the pin that you have set earlier. So if you haven't remember your pin, all you have to type in the search query is pin and just select enter. Now you have to click on the second tab, which is called I forgot the pin. Just click on it, and it will redirect you to the page where told that once a pin is added in an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. At the time, user and their parents guardian will not be able to manually reset the pin if it is forgotten, so the customer support will be needed. So for that you have to contact the support, so just click on contact form. And now you can see your username. You just have to enter your first name, your email address, and type here in the description issue that you are not been able to find your pin code. So the Roblox support team will reach out to you and help you regarding the same. So this is how you'll be able to see pin code on Roblox. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.